Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah. If you're new here, nice to meet you. And if you are a returning subscriber, well, thank you for coming back and welcome back. So, in today's review video, I am reviewing the e.l.f. Cosmetics, and this is their wax pencil, you guys. And I've been using it for quite some time. I feel like enough to really give you guys a deep down thorough review. So here we are, reviewing this product. So if you're interested in this, and if you're interested in what I have to say, my opinions, my thoughts, yada yada yada, all that good stuff, stick around. We're getting started. Alright you guys, here it is, the e.l.f. Cosmetics Wax Pencil. You guys, I did pick this up at the Dollar Tree. Surprisingly, the Dollar Tree has tons and tons of good stuff, you guys. You just have to really open your eyes and pay attention. They have a lot of good stuff there, and for $1, I mean, if you can get something for like a cheaper price but still get that quality, I don't know about you guys, but why not? Anyway, so if you are curious where I got this, I personally got it from the Dollar Tree, so amazing. And plus e.l.f. Cosmetics, they are an affordable, even if you don't get it at the Dollar Tree, they're just in general an affordable and amazing quality brand. So the wax pencil, there is a little piece of fuzzball on it. Alright, so let's get started. Number one, let's talk about packaging. So it's a nice, plain, simple packaging. e.l.f. Cosmetics, they don't really go like, you know, crazy with their packaging. They're clean, they're simple, and they're just straight to the point. So if you're that type of person where you want a nice, clean, simple, and just, you know, none of that frilly stuff, e.l.f. Cosmetics. Just look at this. White, clean, simple. It tells you exactly, it's just simple and clean. Nothing more to it. Now, to open it up is a cap, alright? And to me, the best part about the cap is when I close it, listen carefully, you hear that click? Yes. To me, when I hear that click, it's just an extra form of sense of security where I'm like, yes, my products are closed tight, it's shut, no air gets in it, no like leakage, whatever you want to call it. I like that. That sound. It just sounds so beautiful. You hear that? Yes. We love that. I love that. So that's a plus for me. So now when you open it up, here is the product, and you do scroll up the product as much as you want, and you can also scroll down, right? So that is what it looks like. When you first initially get it, you guys, it is a more sharper point, but as you use it, obviously it's gonna dull out. And for me, that doesn't really bother me just because the way my brow shapes are, it's okay if it's flat and dull, at least the way I use it. So that is what it looks like. And it doesn't have any funky smell to it if you're curious about that. I'm not smelling anything funky or weird, so that is a plus. And I feel like if you do smell something funky and weird in your makeup collection, that probably means it's time to toss that thing out and throw it away. So there's that. So I brought up their website, and by theirs I mean the e.l.f. Cosmetics, and I'm going to read to you guys exactly what it tells me, and we'll just see, you know, little by little if it really is true from my own experience. So on their website, details, this clear wax pencil helps shape and tame brows for a flawless look that stays put. Alright, we'll stop there. It tells us it's a clear brow wax pencil. That is definitely true. You don't see any colors to it, so if you're worried about any colors added onto your brows, do not fear, it's not going to be any colors there. And it also tells us that it gives us a look that stays put. Yes, that is true. However, alright, so the thing is, when you put it on, it does help your brow hair stay put, but it doesn't dry down completely. So the wax, it stays put where you place it. So when I put the wax on, how do I put this into words? So when I put the product on my eyes, right, and I brush out my brow hairs to put it in the position where I want it to be in, right, then if I don't touch it for the rest of the day, my brow hairs does stay exactly how I put it from the beginning, right? However, if I somehow accidentally kind of touch my brow hairs, or somebody accidentally, you know, touch my brow hairs, something happens and my brow hairs are disturbed, then it kind of moves around. And because it has that waxy product on it, whichever way my brow hairs are moving, because it has that waxy product, it kind of like switches over and stays in that position. So I'm hoping that makes sense, right? Words. So basically, let me just rephrase that. When I put the brow wax product on and I brush it up this way, so my fingers are the brow wax, I brush it up this way, and then one day or throughout the day, something disturbs my brow hairs, and then it goes out this way. It won't go back to normal like this just because the waxiness kind of doesn't set. You know, you get what I'm saying? It doesn't set all the way. So it's not like it's set and forget it. It's like you put the brow product on, the brow wax product on, and you kind of have to pay attention to it here and there because it never sets. This, I guess, you know what? All that talking for what? Pretty much what I'm trying to say is the brow product never fully sets. So it is, you know, it has that tendency to kind of move around if it wanted to. The next part tells us, draw on perfection with this clear pencil that is universally flattering for any hair color. I mean, obviously it is universally flattering just because there is no color in there. It's clear. So yes, that is true. The soft, lightweight formula styles, enhances, and keeps brow hair in place for a groomed natural look. So yes, it does keep it in place, but because it does not set, if you touch it, it's gonna move. Okay? So enriched with antioxidant vitamin E to help nourish the skin. Now, I don't know about the vitamin E stuff, but you know what? Any vitamin is a good vitamin, I'm guessing. So don't take my word for it, but vitamin E, you know what? Let's look it up. What does vitamin E do? Vitamin. Alright, so vitamin E is a nutrient that your body needs to support your immune system and helps your cell to regenerate. It also has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that make getting enough essential to your everyday health. So, sounds like a bunch of good stuff to me. So yes, that's winning. So, that is that, you guys. I just read exactly what the e.l.f. Cosmetics website tells us. Really, I do love this brow pencil. There's nothing wrong with it. The only like bad or con to this brow pencil personally is that it doesn't set. So if you put the product on and you don't touch it, you're good to go. But for whatever reason, if you touch your brow hair or someone else touches it, it's gonna move. It's not like hairspray where you spray it and it just stays like that. It's kind of like, it's gonna move around. So just be careful. Other than that, I mean, I have it in my brows right now. I did add a little bit of brow product in it. If you're curious, my brow right now, the combination is these two. They're both e.l.f. products, so that is what my brows look like. And by the way, you guys, if you are curious about this makeup look, I did do a makeup look on this. This is my 2020, why do I say it like that? This is my 2020 Christmas makeup look. I'm probably gonna do more makeup looks, you guys, so that revolves around the holiday and Christmas. So if you are curious, or if you want to know, or if you want to see more makeup looks with the whole holiday Christmas theme in it, go ahead and like and subscribe. Alright, so here's my Christmas makeup look. If you're curious about that, I did already post a video on it. Probably the most recent video, so go check it out. But yeah, this video is pretty much over. That is my thoughts, my opinions, and all that good stuff on the e.l.f. Brow Wax Pencil. That's pretty much it, you guys. If you are not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Join the Kwak fam. And of course, if you do not want to miss on any videos, go ahead and click the notification bell. And if you like this video, when I talk about my reviews, my thoughts, and all that good stuff, go ahead and like, give it a thumbs up, comment down below what other products you want me to review, and follow me on my social media, you guys. I have TikTok, I have Instagram, I have Twitter, all that good stuff, you guys. So go ahead and follow me there, and that's pretty much it, you guys. Alright, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. Bye, guys!